Good morning. This is Erica from the Gloucester County Library, Mulligan Hill Branch. I'm a reference librarian, and we are putting together short videos to help get us through this difficult time. I know you've probably already watched Carolyn Alt from the Logan branch make a delicious pizza, so hopefully you'll find this craft interesting as well. We are going to be making a mini terrarium today, made out of materials found around your house or just outside your door. And if you have any suggestions or questions for us, please email us at reference, REFERENCE, at GCLS.org. You can also visit our website at www.gcls.org for more materials and more ways to stay occupied during this time. Now join me as we make a mini terrarium. So I made everything look nice and neat and put them in bowls so it would look a little more professional than how I originally made my first mini terrarium. But basically I have an old saucer that doesn't match anything. I have a few of those. I have some stones found outside. I have a plant, which if you go outside your door, you probably will find a few growing now. And may I just say, one man's weeds is another man's terrarium plant. And then I had some potting soil left over in my garage, but honestly, you could probably use any dirt at all. The first thing I'm going to do is put some rocks in the bottom of the saucer. Then I'm going to layer some dirt. After I layer the dirt, I take my little plant, which I've soaked, and I'm going to put it right in the middle. I had some fake moss lying around. Well, it's not fake, but it's not alive either. And make it a little greener there. You can add some pebbles on the outside to give it a little more dimension. And I also had some other things lying around. I had some acrylic paint, so I painted a rock to look like a mushroom. So I'm going to put that in there. And you'll add a little bit of water to that. You can add your dinosaur. Woo! You can add your googly eyes sticking up out of the earth. And then I have a mismatched drinking glass that has no other family members. So I'm using that to put over my terrarium. I can add more rocks around the bottom to make it look nice. Some other things that I did was I took some hot glue and I hot glued some stones together and put them on the top of this one to make a little lid. And once you water it, it'll stay pretty moist because of the glass. And every now and then you just can add some water to the bottom and it'll evaporate up into it. So everyone, I wish you good luck. This is an old yogurt jar. This one was probably a jam jar, I don't know. It doesn't have to be a terrarium. You can just plant something. It can look however you want it to look. You can make 100 of them, which I'm probably getting close to now because it's been a long time. I've been home now. Or you can make one and just care for it for the rest of your life. Anyway, good luck to everyone. Thank you for joining us.